Hey, early morning session here. Yeah, since I got an 8 a.m., so I had to get up real early today. I'm gonna do some deadlifts today. I'm gonna be keeping it light for today because of one, I got girl problem going on right now. Plus I'm still dealing with this glute medius pain that's healing just fine. I'm doing fine. All right, let's get to it. Alright, there, back to my second set of triples. Here we go. So, back I'm on my menstrual cycle, still doing with that glute medius. Actually, this is actually a rehab for that injury I'm having. I have to keep moving. Whew, didn't move so bad today. And I'm making a comeback from post-foot injury. All right, so this is just the start of the new journey.